Copilot Agent, an advanced AI assistance solution designed to streamline your IT operations seamlessly. Powered by Microsoft Copilot Studio. Managing software access has always been a complex and time-consuming task, often burdening the IT team with its intricacies and demands. In this demo video, let's explore how Copilot Agent simplifies software access management. Meet John, who's stuck in the middle of a crucial project and needs access to Draw.io software. Facing an unexpected challenge without immediate access, he turns to Copilot Agent for assistance, seeking seamless connectivity to power his creative workflow. Leveraging Azure OpenAI, Copilot Agent swiftly analyzes his query and suggests the most relevant software. After suggesting the software, the agent asks John if he would like to proceed with accessing it. John also can request access for himself or on behalf of another person. Then, Copilot Agent prompts an adaptive card for John to specify a start date for accessing the software. To facilitate a smooth approval process, the agent prompts him to provide the reason behind the request, capturing all necessary details. Upon entering all the required details, the software access details are stored in ServiceNow, initiating the access provisioning process. The request for software access is then sent to John's manager for review. If the manager approves the requested device will be added to the software group synced with Intune, granting it access to the specific software. Additionally, John will receive a confirmation email. This streamlined process ensures that John is promptly and accurately informed about the outcome of his request. With touchless automation, Copilot Agent delivers the most relevant solutions within minutes. In the middle of a project, John also requests software access for a colleague. By choosing another person triggers an adaptive card, prompting John to specify the email address of the individual who needs access to the software. If the email entered is not in the ServiceNow list, the bot requests John to provide a valid email address for the software access request. Once a valid email is provided, Copilot bot prompts John to specify the reason and start date for acquiring the software. Upon entering all required details, the software access information is stored in ServiceNow, initiating the access provisioning process. Once access is granted, an email confirmation is sent to the respective email address. Efficiency and productivity are at your fingertips with Copilot Agent. Seamlessly integrates with leading SaaS platforms such as ServiceNow, Jira, Salesforce, and more. Feel free to reach us at sales@avasoft.com and learn how Microsoft Copilot can transform your workflow and drive success.